The Canton of Geneva, officially the Republic and Canton of Geneva, is one of the 26 cantons forming the Swiss Confederation. It is composed of 45 municipalities and the seat of the government and parliament is in the city of Geneva. Geneva is the French-speaking westernmost canton of Switzerland. It lies at the western end of Lake Geneva and on both sides of the Rhône, its main river, within the country. The canton shares borders with Vaud to the east, the only adjacent canton. However, the borders of the canton are essentially international, with the French region of Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes. As is the case in several other Swiss cantons, Geneva is referred to as a republic within the Swiss Confederation. One of the most populated cantons, Geneva is considered one of the most cosmopolitan regions of the country. As a center of the Calvinist Reformation, the city of Geneva has had a great influence on the canton, which essentially consists of the city and its suburbs. Notable institutions of international importance based in the canton are the University of Geneva, the United Nations and CERN. Geneva was controlled by the Allobroges tribe until 121 BC. It was then annexed to the Roman Empire in 121 BC and remained part of it until 443, after which the Burgundians took over the city. In 532, the land controlled by Burgundians became part of the Frankish Empire and the city became a part of the Kingdom of Burgundy in 888. By 1032 Geneva became a part of the Holy Roman Empire and officially remained in it until the Peace of Westphalia. The Prince-Bishopric of Geneva was a Prince-Bishopric of the Holy Roman Empire from 1154. But from 1290, secular authority over the citizens was divided from the bishop's authority. At first only lower jurisdiction, the office of Vidame given to François de Candy in 1314. But from 1387 the bishops granted the citizens of Geneva full communal self-government. As from 1416, the Dukes of Savoy attempted to annex the city, both by claiming secular authority and by installing members of the Savoy dynasty as bishops. The city sought assistance in allying itself with the old Swiss Confederacy. The Republic of Geneva existed, depending on sources, either from 1534 or from the 30th of November 1541, when the General Council ratified the ecclesiastical ordinances of John Calvin, until the 26th of April 1798, when it was annexed by France, and then from the 31st of December 1813, until the 19th of May 1815, during the restoration of the Republic. It was given a constitution in 1543, and it effectively functioned as a Protestant theocracy. The Republic of Geneva reinforced its alliance to the Protestant cantons of the Swiss Confederacy, becoming an everlasting ally. In 1584, the French Revolution reached Geneva in 1792, and in February 1794, the Republic gave itself a new, revolutionary constitution which proclaimed the equality of all citizens. After the death of Robespierre in July of the same year, there was a counter-revolution, which gained the upper hand by 1796. Robespierre's death prompted the French invasion of 1798, and the annexation of Geneva, which became the capital of the French Département du Léman. The Napoleonic army left Geneva on the 30th of December 1813. And on the next day the return of the Republic was proclaimed. Geneva finally joined the Swiss Confederation in 1815 as the 22nd canton. The territory of the present canton of Geneva was largely established as a result of the Congress of Vienna, in order to provide contiguity between the city of Geneva and its satellite territories such as Satigny, and to physically join the canton to the rest of Switzerland. From France, the canton added the current municipalities of Versoix, Caux-Bossy, Pregny-Chamboussy, Vernier, Meyring and Grand Saconnex. From Sardinia, the canton gained the present municipalities of Lacannex, Sorel, Palis-sur-Tout, Plan-les-Ouates, Benex, Aire-le-Villers, Onex, Confignon, Lancy, Bardenex, Compassières, Toinex, Verrières, Chain-Thonex, Paplingué, Presingué, Cholex, Minier, Calonge-Bellerive, Corsier, Humans, Anières, and Carouge. The last change of the canton's borders occurred in 1956. As a result of the planned expansion of Geneva Airport, France and Switzerland agreed to exchange a piece of territory to fit in the new runway. The elements of its coat of arms are full Genevan flag, full coat of arms of the Republic and Canton of Geneva, with the crest, shield and motto. The current coat of arms, adopted from the city of Geneva, represent the union of the semi-eagle originating from the two-headed eagle from the Holy Roman Empire, in which Geneva formed part in the Middle Ages, and the gold key from the coat of arms of the Bishopric of Geneva, symbolizing the key of Saint Peter, patron saint of the cathedral. The bishop was a direct vassal of the emperor and he exercised in his name the temporal power over the city, symbolizing the union of spiritual and mortal powers. The coat of arms were adopted by the citizens of Geneva in 1387.